this video about transposing the data in Excel. And the first option is doing it by Paste Special. First, select the data that you want to transpose from item to the cell 20, and then press Ctrl copy. And then you go to the yellow cell. Either you can select from the Home tab, Paste and Paste Special and then Transpose, or you can press Ctrl-Alt-V together for Paste Special options. Click Transpose and click OK. Now the data is transposed. And there's a second option to transpose the data, and it's transposed with formula. This is a little bit complicated. First, as the data you are going to transpose has 6 columns and 2 rows, you must select opposite 2 columns and 6 rows. It's already colored here, and I'm selecting the yellow cells as 2 columns and 6 rows here. After that, while the cells are still selected, I'm going to write the formula with equal sign, transpose, brackets, and either you can write the range or you can select the range from the sheet. You close the bracket and you are not going to press enter. You are going to press Ctrl, Shift and Enter. This is an array formula, that's why you are not using enter only. We are using Ctrl Shift Enter. This is an array formula, and in all cells you can check the formula in the formula bar here. In all cells the formula is the same. It's not changing because this is an array formula. And that's it for the transposing. Thank you very much.